Hello everybody, it's me Robin from RBN of Solutions. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add any custom codes on your WordPress website. Sometimes we need to add some codes on our WordPress website. Suppose Google, Facebook Pixel code, Google Analytics code, blah blah blah. There have a lot of codes we need to add on our WordPress website. If you want to add any code in our parent theme, then there could be happen a very big problem on your website. So if you use any plugin and add your code, then there don't have any risk. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can do this, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel. You will get more useful tutorials in future. So thank you. First of all, we are going to use a plugin. That's why hover on plugins and then simply click on add new plugin. In the right top side, you will see a search bar. From there, search WP code. And when you hit the search button, you will see the plugin. There have any other plugins, but make sure you are using this plugin. So we have to install. So installing, and after the installation, we need to activate the plugin. So click on activate. And yeah, the plugin has been activated perfectly. So after activating the plugin, if you scroll down, then you will see a new options, code snippets. So click on it, and then there have some pre-built codes. So we are not using those, we are going to use new ones. So you have to simply click on add new. And then there you will see there have a lot of options. Suppose allow SVG files upload. WordPress don't allow to use any SVG file on WordPress website. If you allow this, then you will be able to use any SVG file on your WordPress website. There have a lot of other options, but we are going to use new one. So you have to click on add your custom code. So use snippet. Click on here, and then you will see here there have a options where you can use any code. So for the example, we are going to our front end of our website, then go to the view page source, and then search for Control F. Search for generator, 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 Generator. You can see here 139 number of line. There have a meta tag generator, and it shows which WordPress version you are using. So you don't need to keep this line, because you don't need to this line for which version you are using of WordPress. So we are going to remove this, and then go to your backend and add code here. So we are going to add code here. And one more thing, you will see there have a options what type of code you are going to use. Do you want to use HTML, text snippet, block snippet? That is for pro version. JavaScript, PHP, Universal, or CSS. If you want to use CSS, and you can add from here. So we are going to use PHP snippet. So select PHP and then remove action, and then we want to remove this line actually. So double quotation and then WP underscore head, and then comma, double quotation, WP underscore generator, and then you have to save this snippet. This will run for everywhere, so you don't need to change any options. Just hit the save snippet button, and you have to make sure is the snippet is active or not. For that you have to click on code snippets, and then we didn't give any title for this snippet. Please try to use a name of snippet. That's why you can understand which codes for which snippets. So I am not showing. Okay, I am showing. So click on edit, and then you can see here a title name. So if we give a name, removing generator, and then update, and again click on code snippets, and after that you can see here the title removing generator. So we need to make sure this is active. Currently this is inactive, so we are going to active this, and now reload the website. There have some generator tag, so reload the view page source as well, and then Ctrl F, and now search for generator. So you can see in the 138 line there is 139 line there don't have any WordPress version which was visible sometimes moment. So we have removed the code by using the custom code from the code snippets plugin. So in this way you can easily add any code on your WordPress website. And one more thing, there have options header and footer. If you click on it, and you will see here, if you want to use anything on header, there have option. If you want to use anything on body, there have options. If you also want to add any code on footer, there have options. Suppose Facebook pixel, for Facebook pixel there have some codes, and you need to add on any WordPress website's header. So if you search for Facebook pixel code, if you hit search button and then go to images, suppose this type of codes are for Facebook pixel. So simply copy this type of code and just paste here, then save changes. Then the code will be added on your WordPress website, and the section will be on header. So in this way you can easily do all those things. You don't need to do directly on your parent theme. If you use parent theme, there are a lot of issues. So I hope this tutorial helps you, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel, and we will be back with a new WordPress tutorial in the next video. Thank you.